Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Balloon is probably one of the most versatile and exciting products to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of entertainment and aesthetic appeal that can transform any event or personal space into something truly magical and unforgettable. Number 5. Paladone Pennywise Red Balloon Lamp. Illuminate your space with this iconic red balloon lamp. It's perfect for adding a touch of moody ambience to any room, from your bedroom to your themed home theater. Add a touch of spooky fun to your home decor. The eerie red glow creates the perfect atmosphere for any occasion, especially Halloween. This is a unique, officially licensed collectible for any fan. It's a great addition to any collection and makes a fantastic gift for pop culture enthusiasts. Bring a piece of horror movie history into your home. This lamp is a must-have for fans of IT and classic horror. Looking for something truly unique and geeky? This novelty item is sourced from a top provider of fun and original collectibles. Use it as a desk lamp or a nightstand light. Its classic accent design fits perfectly into any themed space, adding character and style. What we like? This lamp offers an officially licensed design for true fans. Its moody red glow creates the perfect atmosphere for any themed room. If you're looking for a unique way to illuminate your space and show off your fandom, this is the perfect choice. Number 4. Kathfly Reusable Halloween Balloon Kit. Get ready for Halloween with these eye-catching red balloons. Their bright color and large size are sure to grab attention from afar. Crafted from sturdy PVC vinyl, these balloons are built to last. You can use them year after year, saving you time and money. Easily assemble the included rods to create a striking prop for your outdoor Halloween costumes. They're a thoughtful addition to any cosplay. This kit provides everything you need for your Halloween DIY projects. You'll receive plenty of balloons, clips, and rods for all your crafting needs. These make an ideal decoration for any Halloween party. Use them to add essential flair to your festivities and create a memorable atmosphere. Simply attach the balloon to the pole and clip for a quick and easy setup. They are designed for a hassle-free decorating experience. What we like? Get a pack of reusable balloons with all the accessories for your DIY needs. These large, bright red balloons are designed to grab attention from afar. If you're planning a Halloween event or cosplay and want a prop that's both eye-catching and cost-effective for multiple uses, this kit is ideal. What people say? The balloon is made of high-quality material and is very durable. It features a unique design that is sure to impress. The balloon is easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for storage and transport. Number 3. Ruby Red Double Latex Balloons, 50 PCS, 10-inch. Add a touch of elegance to your celebrations with these stunning ruby red balloons. Their vibrant color is sure to impress. Crafted from high-quality double latex, these balloons offer a superior look and feel for any event. They are designed to provide a perfect display. Easily inflate them with helium, hydrogen, or air to suit your decorating needs. They are ready for any occasion. These are ideal for a wide range of celebrations, including weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, baby showers, and holiday parties. Make your special moments even more memorable with these beautiful decorations. They are suitable for all your festive needs. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or a holiday gathering, these balloons are the perfect addition to create a festive atmosphere. What we like? This pack provides 50 shiny ruby red balloons with a double-thick latex construction. They offer a perfect display for various celebrations. If you need a large quantity of high-quality, vibrant red balloons for events like weddings, birthdays, or Valentine's Day, these are an excellent option. What people say? The balloon is made of high-quality material and is very durable. The balloon is easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for storage and transport. The balloon has a unique design that adds a festive touch to any occasion. Number 2. It's a Boy-Girl Balloons, 50 PCS 12-inch latex balloons. Make your baby shower or birthday party unforgettable with these delightful balloons. They add a festive touch to any celebration. These balloons are ideal for welcoming your little one or celebrating a special birthday. They come in both light blue and pink to suit any theme. Beyond baby showers and birthdays, these balloons are perfect for weddings, holidays, and any festive occasion. Their versatility makes them a must-have. Inflating them is a breeze. You can use helium, hydrogen, or simply air to get them ready for your event. Crafted from durable latex, these 12-inch balloons are designed to float beautifully and enhance your party's atmosphere. They are suitable for all your decorating needs. Add a vibrant splash of color and joy to your special day. These balloons are sure to bring smiles and create lasting memories. What we like. This set includes 50 balloons in light blue and pink, perfect for gender reveal parties. They are suitable for inflation with helium, hydrogen, or air. If you're organizing a baby shower or birthday party and need classic, colorful balloons to announce the gender or add festive cheer, these are a great choice. What people say. The balloon is made of high-quality material and is very durable. The balloon is easy to inflate and deflate, making it convenient for storage and transport. The balloon has a unique design that adds a festive touch to any occasion. Number 1. It Chapter 2 Giant Latex Balloons. Bring the terror of It Chapter 2 to life with these giant 24-inch latex balloons. Perfect for any fan's collection or party. These impressive balloons measure a full 24 inches, making a big statement wherever you display them. They are sure to grab attention. Each pack contains 2 of these formidable balloons, so you have enough to create a spooky atmosphere. Get ready for a fright. Crafted from durable latex, these balloons are designed to last and maintain their imposing presence. They are built for maximum impact. Whether for a themed party or a display for fellow fans, these balloons are an essential addition. Show your love for the horror classic. What we like. These are giant 24-inch latex balloons, coming in a pack of 2, specifically themed for It Chapter 2. If you're a fan of the movie and want to make a big statement with your decorations for a themed party or event, these oversized balloons are perfect for creating a dramatic effect. What people say. The balloon is very easy to inflate and set up. It looks great and is a perfect size for decoration. The material is durable and holds air well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.